Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make a paper boomerang. We need a paper. First fold it half like this. Then fold here half like this. Do the other side. After that fold it here half like this. After that do fold half in this and this. After that fold here like this and do the other side. After that fold this here. When you're done, fold it like this. After that fold here on this top like this. Then fold the same thing here. Then fold here like this and here like this. Then we have our boomerang plane. So we have to fold these edges gently so the plane comes back again. After that we have our boomerang plane. Let's give it a taste. Oh, this is bad taste. Let's do a taste too. No! Let's do it another try. Let's fix it first. Then, no, the pastry is not done. Then let's give it a shot. No, it is not working. Let's give it a last try. So the plane came back again. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button.